Today, I'll show you how to add Capital One Shopping to Safari on your iPhone. First, go to the App Store and download the Capital One Shopping app. After it's installed, open your iPhone settings. Scroll down to Safari, then tap on Extensions, find Capital One Shopping and turn it on. Next, open the Capital One Shopping app and log in. This links your account with the Safari extension so everything works smoothly. Now, when you shop in Safari, the extension will find and apply discounts and track rewards automatically. It works in the background, so you don't have to do anything manually. It also helps you compare prices across different stores instantly. If the extension doesn't work well in Safari for you, try using the app itself. It usually works better on iPhones and ensures you never miss out on deals, price comparisons, or instant savings when shopping online. This way, you can maximize your discounts without switching between apps or searching for coupon codes manually. Plus, it will also notify you of price drops on items you viewed recently, helping you save even more over time and get the best deal every time you shop.